what are this person's current feelings or what they wanted to tell you. Okay, you are this person's weakness. Okay, with the hangman over here, you might be dealing with a Pisces. Okay, they really like you a lot. Okay, they wanted to bend themselves in this connection. They want to put a ring on you in the coming month. With the four of wands over here, your connection was blocked in the from the past 4 months. Yeah, this has been happening because of some other person, or this has been happening because of your own, the way you talk, the way you discuss. Okay, aware people discuss, and nonsensical people, they keep on fighting with each other. Okay, besides that, this person want a happy home with you and they feel a warmth with you. With the three of wands over here, this person is far away from you right now. Maybe you both are not in the same state. Okay, similarly, uh, this person, you have shattered this person's dreams, or you make them unhappy because of some reasons, which is a lot of things are going on in this connection. I mean, you have blocked this person, you're not talking, or you don't want to come on the same page or something like that, but they wanted to lean on this connection. Okay, and with the eight of wands in reverse, somewhere or the other they feel the intimacy, but in a very lower level. Okay, coupled with that, this could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn you're dealing with, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag. Heavy on this reading. Okay, any which ways this person is attached to you. They cannot sleep in the night, and additionally they are very much a tensed mode. Okay, could be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius you're dealing with. Okay, on the contrary, they see you as their counterpart. Okay, both the queen and king are in reverse position. I mean, this connection is ungrounded in some or the other way. Above all, this person wanted to take a leap of faith with you, but now they are releasing this connection because of some misunderstanding, or something is happening which you have not spoken to each other, and reason could be anything. And following this person wanted to end this connection. Especially the women, whoever is watching this reading, you don't want to be with this person because of so many reasons, because of the finances, because of the long distance or travel, or because of the you don't fall on the same page, something like that. Okay, so you could say sorry and then mend this connection in the future. Yeah, thank you.